City in northeastern New Mexico until 7:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 6:56 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 14 miles south of Mosquero, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and golf ball size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of east central San Miguel and southeastern Harding counties. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties in New Mexico: Harding and San Miguel. A severe thunderstorm warning remains.